Hello everybody and welcome to the Bosch Power Tools job site. Well, it's showtime for the new GSR1080-2-LI Professional, a durable and reliable tool designed to give your performance a boost. Thanks to Bosch's unique ECP technology, a durable housing and reliable components, this tool and battery are designed to deliver a long lifetime. With Bosch's uncompromising quality components at an affordable price, this tool really is a smart investment to improve your performance and efficiency. It is equipped with optimized torque for screwing and speed for drilling. The 2-speed gearbox delivers up to 28 Newton meters of torque, which is ideal for a variety of applications. Speed 1 or low speed is designed for screwing, whereas Speed 2, high speed, is ideal for drilling. With 15 customized torque settings, you always get the correct torque adjustment for precise screw driving. The maximum screw diameter is 7 millimeters. Okay, let's give it a try. The maximum drilling diameter into wood is 19 millimeters. And even drilling into metal is fast, easy and smooth. On top of all the impressive performance features, this tool also has an LED light which effectively illuminates dark workplaces. With the Bosch flexible power system, any Bosch Blue 10.8 volt battery will fit into all Bosch 10.8 volt Blue tools. That's convenient. So try it out. The GSR1080-2-LI Professional is the smartest investment to give your performance a boost. The GSR1080-2-LI Professional from Bosch.